Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency mining. Today, I'll break down crypto mining so simply that even your grandmother would understand it. And if you stay until the end, I'll show you how Algora network is revolutionizing mining for everyone. First, what exactly is crypto mining? Think of it like this. Imagine a massive public accounting book where every financial transaction is recorded. But instead of one person keeping this book, thousands of computers around the world maintain identical copies. Mining is simply the process of adding new pages to this accounting book. Miners use their computers to solve complex mathematical puzzles. The first one to solve the puzzle gets to add the next page of transactions and receives brand new cryptocurrency as a reward. It's like being paid to be an accountant for the internet. Now, traditional crypto mining looks something like this. Expensive specialized computers that cost millions of naira, technical knowledge that requires months of learning, and electricity bills that would make even the richest auntie faint. These mining rigs consume so much electricity that your NEPA bill would look like your university fees. Plus, the heat they generate could cook your jollof rice without a stove. Mining has evolved through several phases. It started with CPU mining on regular computers anyone could participate. Then came GPU mining using graphics cards faster but more expensive. Now, specialized ASIC machines dominate, incredibly powerful but cost more than a used car. For beginners, traditional mining presents three major challenges. Astronomical startup costs millions of naira for equipment, technical complexity like trying to explain to your parents how to use Snapchatango, and expenses, electricity bills that rival your rent. But what if I told you there's a way to mine cryptocurrency with no expensive equipment or technical knowledge required, no massive electricity bills? This is where Algora network changes everything. Instead of buying expensive mining equipment, you can mine AGX tokens directly from your browser or mobile phone. Imagine mining valuable crypto while checking your email, watching Netflix, or even while stuck in Lagos traffic. No special hardware, no complicated setup, no wahala. Getting started with Algora mining takes just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Create your free Algora account at Algora Network. Step 2. Click the Start Mining button on your dashboard. Step 3. Keep the browser tab open while you go about your day. That's it. You're now mining cryptocurrency. While traditional miners worry about equipment maintenance, electricity fluctuations, and technical troubleshooting, Algora miners simply continue with their normal online activities while earning AGX tokens. My name Ben from Lagos, Nigeria. Before discovering Algora, I thought crypto mining was only for the technical experts with deep pockets. Now I mine daily while using my computer for work. Last month, I earned enough AGX to pay for my data subscription. The future of mining isn't in warehouses filled with noisy machines. It's in accessible, low-energy solutions like Algora that anyone can use, regardless of technical knowledge or financial resources. Beyond mining, Algora is building a community-driven ecosystem where Africans can participate in the blockchain revolution without barriers. Our mobile app is coming soon, making mining possible wherever you go. Mining cryptocurrency doesn't have to be complicated or expensive with Algora Network. You can start your mining journey today with just a web browser and an internet connection. Visit Algora Network now to create your free account and start mining immediately. Join thousands of Nigerians already earning AGX tokens the simple way. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more beginner-friendly crypto guides.